Is this recipe the coolest new thing coming out of Dubai? Nice. You're looking pretty chic.
Leo cooks things, I cook things.
Welcome back. Today I'm going to show you guys how to make the trendiest thing on the internet. And we're not talking about the Hok Tui girl, although she seems great.
She seems great.
We're making a chocolate bar stuffed with kataifi and pistachio cream. Kataifi? I think that's how you pronounce it. We'll see. Let's get to it. First up. First, you're going to want to get yourself some kataifi. And if you're having trouble finding it, just order it online. Good timing. I might have ordered too much. What? Make sure you're not using autocorrect when you're ordering kataifi online. Happy accidents. Arigato. So this is what you want, kataifi. So chop up your kataifi. Kataifi is basically shredded phyllo dough. It's literally shredded phyllo dough. Whoop, whoop. Now let's cook it up. Bit of cat hair in there. You can't spell kataifi without cat. Woo! Now we're gonna fry up our kataifi. Throw a couple tablespoons of butter in there. Melt that butter. Woo! Kataifi goes in. Now brown that kataifi real nice. This shirt is really green. Woo! Woo! Toasty and delicious. Look at that. Look at that. Look at it. Look at this. We're just gonna let this cool off a little bit. Now put in some pistachio cream.
Yeah, that's right.
We're just gonna mix it all up. Yeah. Pistachio! I'm also gonna add in a pinch of salt. You see? That's what you get. Save this for later. Dirty girls wanna see what's up? No, I don't wanna do photos. And this is what it looks like. Yay! Yay! Now let's melt some chocolat. White chocolate goes in. So this is called a bain-marie, which translates to Mary's bath. Evidently, Mary had very poor personal hygiene. Chocolate molds. Drizzle some chocolate all over things. White chocolate. That's what my friends called me in college. That's not true. I actually... Moving on. Now pop these in the freezer for 5 minutes-ish. And now let's melt our chocolate. The non-white chocolate is what I'm saying. One more time. I'm using milk chocolate, but if you want to use dark chocolate, you can too.
But I'm a sugar dragon.
I'm using a nice Belgian chocolate here. Oh my goodness. Chocolate. And then you're left with this. See? Beautiful. Now for the fun part and messy part. We're gonna put chocolate in here. There you go. You wanna get it covered everywhere. Drip it all off. Make it a mess. That's one. All you can do is your best, guys. Now put these back in the freezer. Where do desserts go on a Friday night after a long week at work? The chocolate bar. But we all know that they don't go too crazy until after 8. You gotta be careful though. Last weekend they found someone in the bathroom dead from a cocoa overdose. And that is a dark chocolate joke. How am I still alone? Now let's fill them up. Filling up our things full of kataifi and pistachio cream. Now we put more chocolate on top of these.
Chocolate bars.
Done. And now back in the freezer they go. Now remove them from their molds. Yeah. Chocolate bar. Activated. Look at these little beauties. Isn't that pretty? I think we should get a closer look. Look at me. I'm the B-roll now. Let's try these. Chocolate. Chocolate. Oh yeah. Super sweet, super good, super crunchy. It's great. Oops. Bye, friends.